Hello everyone. Our first podcast from Soham Sutras. Our podcast is going to be called Soham Stories. Joining us today is Vinita Yadav.
Hello.
Our first from Soham Sutras. She was my first client. And I have to tell you that every year on our Excel sheet, she's the first one. Every year after year, she is my lucky mascot.
It's a huge responsibility, I must say.
No. She is an MCom, very qualified. She has been doing social work. She has been doing a job in a private company. And after marriage, she now helps with her doctor husband looking after accounts and administration. She's ventured into business, owned and managed two-wheeler agency of Honda. She's doing social, political work, apart from managing home and children, which keeps her busy with the lab and the social work. Now we must ask Vinita, please introduce yourself.
I think you have told everything about me.
Still
And,
tell us about yourself and how did your love for handloom sarees begin?
Actually, before the love for handloom sarees, it was love for handloom fabric.
Lovely.
My father was connected with politics, and he always used to wear khadi. And I remember my mother used to wash them at home and then starching them. It was very difficult to maintain the khadi fabric.
Acha.
And most of his clothes were from Khadi Gram Udyog. So with him, my mother also started wearing khadi. And most of her sarees and everything, she also used to buy from them, from there only. Or Cottage Emporium or the Emporias on the Baba Khadak Singh Marg. So we always saw my mother and my father wearing khadi. And I think seeing them, we also used to develop that taste and develop that. It was very organically in our upbringing to wear khadi clothes. So, and मम्मी साड़ी पहनती थी उस टाइम तो there was no other dress apart from sari. So it was difficult also wearing a cotton sari throughout the day and maintaining them.
But our moms would wear that on those times. Yes.
So और वो फिर हमें कुछ और फैब्रिक का पता ही नहीं था when we were growing up.
Lovely.
So साड़ी का तो मम्मी के थ्रू आया और खादी क्योंकि फैमिली में ही था, हैंडलूम फैमिली में ही था, because always saw my mother shopping from Emporias and Cottage Emporium. So we never knew anything else apart from the handloom and the sarees and so it was inculcated very organically into us. My sister, everyone wears handloom and
that's inspirational.
And the good thing is the next generation, my daughter, be it my sister's daughter, they all wear handloom.
Wow.
And they love wearing sarees.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
I must tell you that my daughter, she did her PhD from US.
Okay.
And she always used to carry 5-6 sarees with her and she used to wear them.
And I'm sure she must have got so many compliments here.
She got the compliment, the most colorful economist.
Wow.
University.
Wow.
Because when you wear Indian clothes, they are also colorful, especially sarees. So US में तो people used to wear very white, grey, black, especially in winters. So she got the title of the most colorful economist.
Just fantastic. How nice.
So she loves wearing sarees. Rather, she is into teaching. She is a professor. So when she was doing her...
She wearing sarees to work? Yeah.
When she was doing her MA, so she got inspired by one of her professors. She used to say, I want to become a professor and wear the saris like she wears.
So her professor used to wear a sari?
Yes.
In US?
No, in
In
JNU.
JNU, yeah. Wow. So, कुछ और बातें करते हैं विनीता के साथ. Now you tell us about, you've already told us about your love for handloom, how it started. But what was your first handloom sari? Do you still have it?
Yeah.
Yeah. What was that?
It was a Kanjivaram. साड़ी तो बहुत पहले से शुरू कर दिया था पहनना. On every special occasion, like I wore my first sari when I was in 7th class. And it was Diwali. And mummy की साड़ी लेके, and my mother is a very thin, अच्छी इनकी फिगर थी, तो and पहले और भी पतली थी, तो उनके ब्लाउजेस रखे हुए थे, तो we used to wear those blouses when we were young. So उनका कोई भी ब्लाउज निकाल के we used to wear साड़ी. So 7th class में I wore my first साड़ी on Diwali, and after that, me and my sister both, every Diwali we used to wear a साड़ी.
Beautiful.
So, and they were all my mom's sarees. But first saree I bought was, we went to Chennai, and my
How old
mom
were
was,
you?
that time I had just passed college.
Acha.
And my mom was buying sarees, of
You were
course.
starting your collection.
So I liked one saree, and I said कि मम्मी ये साड़ी मेरे को लेके दो. Then she bought that sari for me, and it was red color Kanjivaram with a very thin golden border.
You still have it?
I still have it.
Wow.
And when my daughter, when she was in 10th class, she said, Ki, this Diwali I want to wear a sari. And I opened my wardrobe.
Did she select it?
She selected that sari. Wow. That was her first sari
Heirloom
worn by
pieces. See, heirloom pieces. This is
that was the first sari worn by her.
Nice. So
So it's a very
I love this
thing.
story. I love this story. I'm just so heartfelt. So, how has your sari collection evolved over the years?
Actually, क्या हुआ कि one of my bhabhi was in Air Force, and उनका कोई जानने वाला, she was into sari business.
Okay.
She used to procure saris from all over the place. She was Maharashtrian.
Okay.
And especially all the weaves of Maharashtra, she used to have them. And apart from that, other saris also. और उनसे मम्मी used to buy. And उनसे ना फिर हमें weaves की बहुत knowledge हुई.
You are very knowledgeable about weaves. I know that.
तब हुई. और that time my sister was about to get married. And that time mommy make it sure कि she has all the weaves from all over India. तो उस तब हमारा interest and knowledge about the weaves evolved, and बस उसी से इंटरेस्ट हो गया. अरे ये तो बहुत सुंदर है, एंड वो हेरिटेज अपना, अरे इंडिया की इतनी वैरायटी देख के ना, दैट इज द एज ना जब आपको लगता है कि हाँ
ये भी होना चाहिए,
ये भी होना चाहिए, ये भी होना चाहिए,
हमारे पास कांजीवरम भी होनी चाहिए.
एंड मतलब उस टाइम इतना ज़्यादा वो नहीं था, बट माई मॉम मेक इट श्योर कि ना ऑल वीव्स शुड बी देयर.
From all states.
From all the states.
Our
And
rich heritage.
Same happened with when I got married. तो तब भी मम्मी ने वो सारी weaves दी.
अच्छा, यहाँ से
इंटरेस्ट स्टार्ट हुआ, और फिर एक बुक पैशन, एंड वो थोड़ा सा वो भी हुआ कि टू नो अबाउट मोर अबाउट द वीव्स, व्हाट आर द स्पेशलिटी ऑफ दैट वीव. तो वो सारा हुआ. मतलब whenever I talk about साड़ी ना मेरा चमक जाता है।
मैं देख रही हूँ, अभी भी देख रही
So
हूँ,
happy.
अभी भी देख रही हूँ। So do you have a favorite sari that holds a special place, special memories? एक बताओ।
काफी सारी साड़ीज तो हैं जो मम्मी over the years she has passed on them to me।
वो उन जैसी स्पेशल तो
तो हो नहीं
हो नहीं
सकती।
सकता।
तो वो साड़ियाँ हैं जो बहुत स्पेशल हैं। And like my wedding saree
Of course,
has a special place in my life।
of course. कैसी थी, कौन सी थी आपकी wedding
It was a
saree?
Banarsi Tanchoi,
अच्छा,
pink and silverish gold with hint of
Nice.
green,
nice.
and I love that saree। And it was not that over the board कि बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसी हो कि जो पहन नहीं सकते हैं, वो मैंने बहुत पहनी है साड़ी।
Ah.
And rather I wanted that sari to be worn by my daughter when she got married, but she said कि no, I will have my own collection।
Yeah.
तो but then I made it sure कि जब मेरे बेटे की शादी हो तो मैं उसको वही साड़ी पहनूंगी।
Wow.
And I wore that।
This is called heirloom. This is called sustainability.
Exactly।
This is
And it is so close to your heart now, you want to wear that on your special occasion।
yeah, so nice. So बताइए, special memories attached with your sarees.
Actually each and every sari has some story attached with them, है ना। कोई आपको
सुनाओ।
गिफ्ट होती हैं,
हाँ।
कोई आपको इतनी सारी साड़ियाँ हैं जो मदर से पास ऑन हुई हैं।
Mm-hmm.
There is a sari which my daughter gifted me when she got her first salary।
Uh-huh.
So they all become very special
Special. They have
And
a
they are
special place.
place in
They
your
are no more just a piece of garment.
exactly
They are something treasured.
treasure।
और ये साड़ी के साथ ही आएगी, कभी नहीं आप देखोगे कि टी शर्ट एंड जीन्स एंड स्कर्ट्स के साथ अटैच।
तभी मैंने देखा है ना, जब भी कोई स्पेशल ओकेजन होता है, एवरीबॉडी वांट्स टू गिफ्ट अ साड़ी
या
कि
Yeah.
ये रहेगी,
करेक्ट,
है ना।
करेक्ट।
बाकी चीजें तो 1 साल 2 साल वो चली जाएंगी और वो यूज नहीं होंगी।
करेक्ट,
और साड़ी एक ऐसी चीज है जो रहेगी।
दैट्स ट्रू।
एंड जनरेशन आफ्टर जनरेशन
रहता है।
रहता है, रहती है। यू कैन पास देम ऑन टू योर नेक्स्ट जनरेशन, है ना। बाकी और कोई चीज आप नहीं ऐसे पास ऑन कर सकते जो दूसरी भी जनरेशन उसी पैशन से, उसी इमोशन से पहनेगी उसको।
दैट्स ट्रू।
एंड इट बिकम वेरी स्पेशल फॉर देम ऑल्सो,
हाँ,
जिसको आप पास ऑन कर रहे हैं,
या
है ना। तो एंड हमारे पास इतनी वैरायटी है साड़ीज की इंडिया के अंदर।
एग्जैक्टली।
You
build a
never
collection.
enough,
Yes.
है ना।
I deal in sarees, but hearing your stories is so beautiful. That's the emotional connect that I'm
Yes.
feeling. Yeah, beautiful. So tell me, how do you style your sarees differently for different occasions?
Actually, I am a very traditional. Oh,
Huh.
I have only one style to wear.
Perfect. Me too.
I don't
Me too.
experiment with the
Yeah.
drape of the sari.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I experiment with my blouses and accessories,
Huh.
and it gives entirely different look,
Yeah.
है ना।
Huh.
तो दो ब्लाउजेस बहुत कम शो करते हैं बिकॉज आई ड्रेप माई साड़ी लाइक दैट, बट स्टिल
Same.
I have to have a different style of the blouse, and I'm not very particular about the कि बिल्कुल मैचिंग ब्लाउज होना चाहिए,
हाँ.
है ना। तो कोई भी कंट्रास्ट या कुछ वैसे जा रहा है तो आई एक्सपेरिमेंट विद दैट।
Correct. I तो strongly believe जैसे हम जीन्स के साथ कौन सी टी शर्ट पहन रहे हैं, we don't care. We are not matching और
Exactly.
स्कर्ट्स के साथ. So साड़ी के साथ भी we should just go ahead and anything should
and
be
you
matched.
can entirely change the look of the sari with the
Yeah.
blouse and your accessories.
True. So true.
एंड accessories कम ज़्यादा करके आप उसको किसी ओकेजन वेयर भी बना सकते हो और उसको रूटीन वेयर भी बना सकते हो
Absolutely.
जस्ट बाय चेंजिंग द ब्लाउज एंड द accessories.
Accessories. So true. So true. So what's your go-to style of the sari drape? You've already shared it's a navy drape, classic drape that we are
Exactly.
all
When I
very
was
fond of.
working also,
हाँ.
then also I used to drape like this only. पल्ले को बस यूं किया and I'm
हाँ.
good to go to the work.
कभी सीधा पल्ला वगैरह ट्राई किया?
बहुत कम.
बहुत कम. मैंने भी बहुत कम. Sometimes I've seen in Gujarat they wear a lot of सीधा
सीधा
पल्ला
पल्ला.
and they look very nice in सीधा पल्ला. गरबा वगैरह कर
गरबा
रहे हैं.
वगैरह करते हैं. I think that is comfortable also for them because the palla is all tied up.
Yeah.
So it must be, but I have never tried.
We like to keep it classic.
And it shows the palla also. Na? Just the ways I wear my sari, the beauty of the palla is shown.
Yes.
And most of the work and everything is in the palla.
In the palla.
I want to
Show that.
Show that.
Why not? So give us any tips to someone who is new to the handloom and saris. Give them, the beginners, some tips. How they can start their collection, how they can be comfortable about wearing a sari, do regularly to work. क्या कर सकते हैं?
मैंने देखा है like my sister wear, my daughter wears sari. She never paints up. And flat चप्पल,
हाँ,
no पहनना,
हाँ,
है ना, पल्ले को बस ऐसे किया and they are good to go.
yes,
The whole day they are comfortable.
yes,
है ना. तो अगर हम साड़ीज को बिल्कुल वो नहीं करने की बिल्कुल फॉर्मल उससे पहन रहे हैं
like an air hostess. look.
लाइक हाँ
हाँ,
तो वो आपका ना कंफर्ट लेवल और वो एक जो रूटीन वो है ना उसमें नहीं चल सकता ज़्यादा.
correct. It's a
So and I
free-flowing
love
garment.
free flowing वो कोल्हापुरी चप्पल के साथ एंड कॉटन की साड़ी थोड़ी ऊपर भी है
ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती है.
ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती है
हाँ,
है ना. And any day it looks better than any other dress
true.
for any occasion, be it formal, be it your official things, be it casual. Sari has a statement to make.
True.
And it's
true.
like a par dressing.
It is.
When I was handling my business, Honda Douglas, it's a man's word.
Power
And
dressing. It
So
is.
I used to go for a meeting and everything. I used to go in a sari. I had 2-3 co-dealers, and they always used to be in the suit and proper black suit and this and that. But I never wore that, and I always used to be in a sari. And I think it used to make a statement.
It does. There's a research in business world proven that when there is some negotiation, business negotiation happening, and there's a woman in a sari, she will always win. Always. That kind of power dressing it is.
And I always make a point, whenever there is something special, be it official, be it any occasion, I have to be in a sari. And my family people also, like my husband and son, they always say कि मम्मी साड़ी पहननी है. You look best in sari.
Yeah. I agree. You do look. I mean, I cannot imagine you in anything else. So, there is some more questions that I have. Why do you choose handloom over a machine-made sari?
See, जो हैंडलूम की यूनिकनेस है ना, मशीन मेड तो दे आर मास प्रोड्यूस है ना, एंड वो सब पहन रहे होंगे. ठीक है, वो सस्ती हैं एंड पॉकेट फ्रेंडली होती हैं एंड everybody cannot afford handloom because they are bit on the higher side. But उसकी वो जो एक यूनिकनेस है, उसकी जो डिफेक्ट में यूनिकनेस है,
True.
है ना?
True.
तो वो, और मतलब जो एक आर्टिस्ट का उसमें थॉट गई है, जो उसकी क्रिएटिविटी गई
It
है,
reflects.
इट रिफ्लेक्ट्स।
So good.
और पता नहीं, ड्रेप करके पता चल जाता है कि ना वो मशीन मेड में
और
पता
इसमें
नहीं,
फर्क है।
और हाँ वो
For
बात नहीं है।
sure.
एंड आई थिंक माई स्किन इज ऑल्सो सम सेंसिटिव और समथिंग,
होता है।
जरा भी उसमें कुछ मिक्स हो
पता चल
synthetic
जाता
या
है।
वो पता चल जाता है।
Definitely.
और पीपल से कि विनीता योर साड़ीज आर ऑलवेज सो, मतलब ड्रेप इतनी अच्छी होती है बिकॉज दे आर हैंडलूम। जो उनका फॉल आता है ना, दैट इज डिफरेंट।
True.
आई डोंट नो, इट्स इन माई हेड और इट्स ट्रू,
That's right.
पर
आता है।
आता है और वो पता चल जाता है।
True.
जिसको जरा भी साड़ी की नॉलेज है, दैट पर्सन कैन
वो
मेक आउट।
कहते हैं ना, जिसको घी खाने का वो हो ही स्वाद, तो वो फिर
हाँ
रिफाइंड ऑयल
एग्जैक्टली नहीं खा।
तो आई हैव हर्ड दिस फ्रॉम वीवर्स के जिनको प्योर चीज पहननी है वो दूसरी पहन ही नहीं पाएंगे।
सकते।
Yeah, that's there. So do you think that younger generation is now embracing handloom sarees?
हाँ, जो मेरे ख्याल से जो लोग साड़ी पहनते हैं यंगर जनरेशन, वो दे, एंड स्पेशली आजकल एग्जीबिशंस और दस्तकार की वो स्पेशली इनसे भी इंटरेस्ट बढ़ा है यंगर जनरेशन का, बिकॉज व्हेनेवर आई गो टू दस्तकार और दिल्ली आर्ट, यू सी लॉट ऑफ younger girls, they are buying sarees and they are, so yeah,
That's right. I agree with you. And tell us, how do you care for and store your sarees?
actually तो over the years collection इतनी ज़्यादा हो गई, it has become a task to store but जो थोड़ी भी एक्सपेंसिव साड़ी होती है तो उसको मसलिन बैग्स में, स्पेशली जो कपड़े वाले बैग्स होते हैं, नॉट जो ये मिलते हैं आजकल सिंथेटिक, और ये उसमें नहीं, कपड़े वाले बैग्स में, एंड कीप वेयरिंग देम सो दैट दे गेट एयर।
That's what.
उनको स्टोर करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है तो वो अपने आप ही उनको एयर और धूप और सब कुछ मिलता रहेगा, and they will remain.
Now closing with some fun rapid fire questions.
Okay.
One saree you regret not buying.
There are many, है ना?
बताओ कि उस टाइम पे लेते लेते रह गए कुछ।
कई तो आपकी होती है जो थोड़ा सा ज्यादा टाइम लगा सोचने में and it's gone.
Sold. How sweet. That's a sweet one. कोई और? How sweet.
कई बार लगता है कि उस टाइम लग रहा होता है कि ओवर प्राइस्ड है और आप छोड़ देते हो उसको, बट बाद में रियलाइज होता है कि नहीं,
That's right.
वो नहीं सोचना चाहिए था एंड ले लेनी चाहिए थी। और आई हैव सीन कि इनकी भी ज्वेलरी की तरह वैल्यू बढ़ती जाती है।
Silk prices are going up, zari prices are going up. It's an investment.
It's an investment.
Yeah. More fun questions. If you could own any one sari in the world, like top notch, what would it be?
Actually शुरू से ही जब से we were growing up, तो इक्कत से कुछ ज़्यादा प्यार है।
Lovely.
है ना? और ड्रेस मटेरियल भी इक्कत का लेके हम सलवार कमीज जब यंग थे तो बहुत पहना, बीट गुजरात या आंध्रा का, है ना? तो इक्कत से ज़्यादा प्यार है।
हाँ,
हमेशा। तो पाटन पटोला।
Wow.
You can never have enough pattern patola in your collection.
I have a client who have about 50 pattern patolas or more bought from me.
Oh my God.
And I wonder, wow, what a collection. And
So
last.
4-5 तो मेरे पास भी हैं आपसे ली हुई।
So last question, advice to the people starting their handloom sari journey. Give us an advice, your piece of advice.
स्टार्ट विद द कॉटन साड़ी, है ना, क्योंकि हमारा तो नॉर्थ इंडिया में तो वेदर भी वेरी कॉटन साड़ी फ्रेंडली है ना। एंड उसमें कुछ नहीं करना आपको, ना बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेंड करना है, ना कुछ करना है। एंड आई
They look graceful.
एनी टाइम दे लुक
more
more beautiful, more graceful than any other
Any
dress or
other.
any other saree. Well
Totally
dressed
agree.
cotton saree with a
Beautiful.
hint of silver jewelry
Awesome.
is what
That's
you
right.
need.
That's right.
Start with that and then build your collection.
So with that note, thank you so much,
Thank you
Vinita.
for having me. It was
No.
lovely talking about sarees. Always love talking about sarees.
I could go on and on listening to this. I think this is going to be my best podcast. Thank you so much for
I'm
coming
really
and sharing your
very
stories.
passionate about sarees,
That
and thank you
reflects-
for inviting
Thank
me.
you so much.
It was
Such a pleasure. Such a
it is my pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you.